So this is an elastic waist bead right here. Now, what makes this waist bead different than this waist bead? So there's no thread used at all. So it's literally elastic. It's stretchy. Like, yeah, this one you cannot use for weight benefits or weight loss, because if you bloat or if you get bigger or anything like that, your beads are going to stretch with you. So this one is very, very forgiving, which is not what regular waist beads are. So this is good for people who want to wear waist beads but are nervous about them being permanent and want to just see what they feel like first. Elastic waist beads a good choice. Another good choice that these waist beads are good for are people who, like, they've been wearing their waist beads for a long time and they kind of want to jazz up their set and add a little something different to it. Then yeah, like, you know what I mean? Like, I could have gotten 2 of these waist beads and kind of gave myself like a little bit of a different look with it. And that's good for elastic waist beads too. Another benefit of elastic waist beads are for people who like to wear waist beads like different ways. So you can like wear it as, you know, like a bracelet just by wrapping it around. The same method you can use to wear it as an ankle bracelet by wrapping it around multiple times for on your ankle. It really does about like 3 to 4 times on your ankle. The other method as well is you can wear it as a necklace. So you can wear it as a necklace. This is a waist bead too that I was wearing. This is a different style of waist bead, so I'll let you guys see the difference. Is this waist bead is what's popular in the United States. That single strand all the way through. This waist bead, as you see, even though it's just one, because even if I just grab one, you see the other one didn't go. It's just one, but it's that double style. So yeah, so this waist bead too. So that's this waist bead, if I wanted to wear it that way. But I did like it as a necklace though. I thought that was cute. This waist bead too, I could switch up now and really look like is what I feel like it's giving. Yeah. So I could wear it like that. I could wear it close together. I feel like I kind of like it separate a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, so the elastic waist beads are way more versatile than the threaded ones.